GPO USB-C GAN car charger 30W. Dual USB car charger GAN 30W 30W dual USB car charger. GAN PD3 0QC4 0AFCPPS fast charging foldable EDL 30W dual USB car charger GAN USB-C charger for USJP pin. This is a kind of fast charger for Type C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger 9V2A, 5V4, 5A, 5V3A, 12V1, 5A, 9V23A, 15V1, 2A, 20V1A, 5V4A. GPO 30W dual USB car charger GAN UK can be used at AC 100V to 30V and UK AC plug. Safety protection. Short circuit protection. OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP. Other. Overcharging, overcurrent, overvoltage. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.